So for those of you not familiar with the CFA, it's a great designation you can get. And CFA stands for Certified Financial Analyst. And it's a 3-year thing. And you write level 1 exam at night. 2 and 3 is the same thing. You don't have to attend classes. You just study in your own time and then write the exam. And when I wrote level 1, I'll never forget this. I was in New York City and it was just after 9/11. Actually, it was early 2002. And I was in New Jersey. They sent us to New Jersey to write the level 1 exam. And it was this big warehouse, man. There's like 5,000 people in there. And before, it was really uncomfortable. I'm getting shivers just thinking about it. But we all had to stand up before the exam. And it was a nice thing that the CFA agency did. They said, before we get started, we want to have a couple of minutes of silence for the following CFA charter holders that passed away on 9/11. A lot of them were in one of the Twin Towers. Sorry, a little bit off topic there. So level 1 is basically a repeat of an MBA. Level 2 has a little bit more bond accounting stuff as well, deeper. And level 3 is, it just kind of adds on top of that options, bonds, and a little bit more higher level stuff. So I think that the way to prepare for it is they recommend a lot of books to buy, which costs you like $1,000 or something. It's crazy. Don't buy those books. What I want you to do is I want you to get the Schweizer books. And I'm going to show this all to you right now, and I'll do this really, really quickly, okay? So Schweizer is a company that's owned by Kaplan, which is owned by the Washington Post, which is now owned by Jeff Bezos. Schweizer is a company that makes these test prep books. And you don't have to actually buy the original ones. What you can do is you can go to eBay and buy them as well, okay, for dirt cheap, okay? So Schweizer CFA, please spell it right, Chris. Let's see. Okay, yeah, here they are here, okay. So this year's for level 2. You can get all these books here for just $30. It's amazing. And they're basically summary books. Like I'll show you this one here, okay? This one here is for level 1. And these are all the summary books, and they're like each book is about that big, and it tells you only the stuff you need to know to pass the test, do well in the test, instead of buying all the textbooks. So what you can do is you can actually do a search here for Schweizer CFA level 3, okay? So which is what you're doing now. And I promise you, here it is here, CFA level 3, right? Look at this. Look at this. Dirt cheap. How can that be right? I don't know, but I promise you that price is very low. But you can get all these books here used over eBay for dirt cheap, and that will save you like $1,000 and your time as well. And if you have follow-up questions about that, as always, please let me know. Thank you.